At 9 o'clock, one chair rolled away on the spreadsheet that looked like savings. The replacement was software, tireless, scalable, cheap. For a while, the dashboard agreed. Then the work began leaking sideways. Someone still checked answers, repaired misses, and explained the strange ones. Projects moved faster, until they didn't. Experience left with the people. Training vanished before anyone priced it. Customers paid in waiting. The survivors paid in interruptions. The company paid again, through rework, contractors, delays, and churn. The signature on the invoice was absence itself. Research has warned that cutting first can hide second-order costs. That is not proof that automation never saves money. Tools work best inside a system people can still operate. Redesign the job before deleting the worker. Automate the task. Keep the judgment. Because a payroll line is easy to erase. The missing column is everything the person was quietly holding together.